I'm Elise and I am about to pack for a family holiday. My husband, myself and my 3.5-year-old son and my 1-year-old son, we're off to Hội An in Vietnam tomorrow morning, really early. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack tonight, and there's a few things I'm going to leave till the morning, so I'll let you know. So I'm going to start with the easiest thing first, and that is packing our clothes. Now I've already packed all of our clothes by family member into these packing cubes. So the biggest packing cube goes to Dad. We'll pop that in there. And the second biggest packing cube goes to Mum. Now we're going for 8 days and I'm taking 4 to 5 changes of clothes for everybody because we've got the opportunity to do laundry here, and I would much rather either pay $5 to get my laundry done. We're taking a Baby Bjorn porta cot. I've got a waterproof sheet that I'm going to tuck in here, and then a regular sheet that I'm going to tuck in here. But I'm only going to take a couple of days worth of nappies, and we will buy some nappies when we're there. Alright, so I could sneakily fit that inside the internal mechanics of the Baby Bjorn. So now that one's done. Back to my suitcase. I've got some more packing cubes. These ones are smaller ones, so one for each little boy. We're going to take one ring sling with us. Ring slings are quite easy for me to use at the moment because there's something in the way. Got some toys here that we're taking for Pete and Jack. Happily, Jack really likes playing with Pete's toys, so I don't have to pack 2 sets of toys. I just chose some small stuff. So these guys we're going to take on the plane. So they would get packed into this big bag here. The other thing we're taking is these really awesome, this is brand new, we just got it. We've been playing with the friends. It's called Drawn By, and it's made by Jessica, who is a local artist and business owner in Singapore. And what it is it's this like this silicone mat with some really cool drawings on it, and some, I imagine that they're special pens, and you colour them in, or you can turn it over and free draw on the back. And then when you're done, you just wipe it off with a wet wipe and you can start again. There's some Milton tablets that we're going to take to sterilize. We're also going to take a mountain buggy pod, which is very much like a Phil and Ted's lobster. It's a portable high chair, and you can see how teeny tiny and light this guy is. It's really easy to get around. It just clamps onto the table. When we're traveling, Pete is going to be wearing a Ride Safer vest. Jack is going to be riding in a Cosco Scenario Next in the car while he's on holidays. But Pete is ever so slightly still just within the weight limit for that car seat. So we're going to take it on board with us, and we're going to put it in Pete's plane seat. We'll have to adjust the harness straps to make it fit him. And then once we get into the car, we'll adjust the harness straps. Jack will use it in the car, Pete will use the vest, but on the plane, Pete will use the car seat, so we don't have to check it in. Alright, well, if you have any comments, something that I've missed, or if I haven't done any research lately and you think there's something I'd really like, please leave a comment. Otherwise, feel free to check out the videos from the rest of our Vietnam holiday. Safe travels!